How to find Uber Eats promo codes and $0 delivery fee. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you also want to find some Uber Eats promo codes, so first thing what you want to do is just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply searching for Uber Eats promo codes, and just tap on the first link over here, which is the couponfollow.com. So you can just tap on that and you can just search in or look in for the Uber Eats promo code. So here I found two different Uber Eats promo codes, so I'll simply tap on any one of these, and what you need to do is just click on this copy button over here to simply copy the code being provided over here. So it will take me about $25 off using this code. So what you need to do is once you copy it, you can just redeem at Uber Eats, your Uber Eats application, and just paste it wherever required. You can also actually simply go to your promo code section or payment section and simply paste the code you have just copied and simply apply it to your order. And finally, just click on save to ensure that your promo code is applied. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.